The wiper blade plays a critical part in the removal of fat, oil and grease from the grease boss. It should sit snugly and flush against the length of the roller. Over time, the wiper blade can become distorted by heat and no longer sit flush against the roller. You can purchase and replace the wiper blade yourself. Remove the wiper blade assembly by rotating and pulling towards the front of the grease boss. Once removed, undo the M5 nylock nuts retaining the old wiper blade using an adjustable spanner or 8mm socket. Place the new wiper blade in the assembly. Refit the nylock nuts and tighten them, but only enough to retain the new wiper blade. Over-tightening will result in warping of the wiper blade, not allowing it to sit flush with the roller. Replace the wiper blade assembly and check that it sits flush against the roller. Manually operate the roll function to ensure the wiper blade remains flush and the motor is not binding due to a misalignment.